Alden, it's your update. Thank you, congrats si Alden na Sparker. Dahil nominee siya sa 38 Star Awards for Television bilang Best Drama Actor for Pulang Araw. At sa BP Choice Award, Movie Actor of the Year naman si Alden for Hello Love Again. Yan palang congrats na kay Alden. Ito yung event, yan ang kapusog photo wall kung saan yung picture ni Alden. Yung katabi niya sila Heart Evangelista sa si Carla Villano. Yan, guwapo ni Alden. Yan, nakahanay dyan si Alden. Ito pa nga, kinilig pa nga si Mami Grace, may Miguel Tan Felix, may pa video grid si Alden. Ito yung video.
Mami Grace, ako po ay isang silent fan ng inyong mga content sa social media na pasang puro luto and sana po stay ating naman po. For cover po, see you soon.
Nakapanood ako ni Alden?
So ito pa, yung post Miss Dolly, may picture siya with Alden. Very accommodating daw si Alden at hindi nagbago simula nung nakilala niya. Ito pa yung post ng GMA News, and Alden Richard to serve as host for upcoming GMA show, and abangan yan. Saka ito, yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Facebook for McDonald's. Celebrate your forever date with McDonald's. Love ko to forever. Yun, no? So, ito yung iba pang event ni Alden, no? For Casino Plus na endorsement niya. And abangan yung recording ni Alden. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Virtual Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.